Okay, so it's day 2 of Comic Fiesta. I didn't vlog anything on day 1 since I was busy buying stuff. So today casual cosplay art market. I've done the exhibitor part. So now I'm going to the basic and premium market. So yeah, it's going to be a short vlog anyway. Later. Okay, I'm done with the market art. So bought a lot. Now I am going to the cosplay side. So yeah. So there's a time slot for Riku. I am at 12. Now it's only 11:30. So I am going to recharge booth to take my stuff from yesterday. Okay.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You trust
Pick
me?
one.
Please give me mouse pad. If you take both mouse pad also, that would be great. This one.
Okay.
Let's see.
Let's see. This one is
公告我干嘛？要等一下。
1C.
C is C.
City bought the
Didn't
Nikkei.
you get that
No,
already? No.
I got F.
Oh, okay, cool.
还不是完全讨论。
还没有星期
1B.
五电脑了。War Scroll. B.
Yes, was good.
Which one you want? Nice.
Killer Wife.
Which one?
D.
是还没有完全
Killer Wife.
Okay.
中老兵。那时候讲的
And 1D.
No mouse
5%，
pad.
No more spare.
5%。
CBD. It should have been ABC.
Yes.
Oh well.
Yes.
Okay, so I settled all my shopping and currently it's 4 p.m. I'm waiting for 6 p.m. because I am bidding for Miko's Banting. Currently I'm in the lead, but I think there will be a sniper. So at 6 p.m. I will be at her booth. Anything I will update in the video. Okay, this is the end of the vlog. CF day 2 plus day 1, I don't know. And I did won the bunting from Nikos. Yeah, and then yeah, I think that's all. If you like the content, blah blah blah, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And until the next video, bye.